me. They're both after me.
He's coming.
World Cup. World Cup.
I just came down.
World Cup. What's down here?
Yo.
Come on.
Wait.
Alright guys,
I can't go
we have to
in.
join where everyone else is. Just this is with contrast.
No.
So everyone thinks that we're crazy while we're
Okay, let's go.
And
Hey, I am looking for my son Green. Because I'm green. I hate my cousins.
Where's the slide?
I see you. Come help me. I am too scared over here. I'm scared of the... Behind you, behind you.
The marathon.
there's no one behind us.
Never mind. Here is where it gets confusing. There's one tunnel there, one tunnel there. Okay.
I think this leads to a dead end.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
It leads to the same place. Wait.
See, it's a dead end. There's no other tunnel.
Wait.
Let's go the other way.
Are there any other tunnels? There's one tunnel here.
Wait, what? Wait,
There's a tunnel over here.
don't worry. There's a million dark tunnels like this.
This is... Bro. Honestly, the
There's a
monster
tunnel
itself
over
isn't that
here.
scary, but the...
Doesn't this just lead to the... Yeah, I saw his red eye.
Bro, I hear it! I hear it!
Go to the...
Oh!
Oh,
Shoot,
I
I
just
seen
saw
it!
that eye. I just saw that eye.
Where's everybody? We're going from where we came from. What happened to the red one?
I really want to.
I didn't even see people in years.
And I know the way out to the creator. And I know.
You want to go down those red tunnels? You want to go down those
You won't be ready to run. I keep getting hit. Help me. Help me. Help me. Please help me.
Banana brother. You guys
Sure.
scared of cats.
Run! Ah! Oh! Keep me going. Those monkeys, like...
Yeah, that was kind of glitch. How many bananas do you have? What? It says 1,000. Guys, there's a key
Wait.
card here. I don't know what the... Then you're gonna grab the key card.
There's a tunnel.
I didn't get, just come. Come on, my banana brother.
I'm gonna have to go at one point.
Wait.
Because Girl Cat's having a really good...
I know, because my thing had it
Just
up.
go on a Monday
You're also
afternoon.
able to get out of the map in the update really easily, too.
Is there a new mode or something?
Go out carefully. No, but there is a new map.
Bro.
Hey, wait, is that where the secret tunnel was? No, sadly not. You will see it on the way to city.
Okay.
Let's go quickly.
Here, I'm checking.
No, that's the way.
40%. What?
That's the hallway that we died in. That's the hallway that we died in.
Banana brother, where'd you go?
And you're gonna put that in there. And you're gonna come. Go to the credit card. Come. Banana! Hurry! It's safe! It's safe!
No!
Guys,
No, he's coming there. He's coming there.
No,
Oh
it's
my
safe,
God.
it's safe.
No. Bro, why